channel, Style the Body. Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome to another video, another unboxing video. Hope you guys are gonna love this video. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. On this channel, it's all about lifestyle, beauty, fashion, travel, and a lot more. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you will not miss any videos. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. I love you guys. So let's get right into it. So I've been wanting this purchase for a while, and if you watched my last vlog, I was in Paris for my birthday. So in Europe, so overseas stuff is always, in places like that, stuff is always cheaper. If you guys didn't know, stuff is always cheaper over there. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. So yeah, clearly you can tell it's from YSL Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. That's how you pronounce it. I think so. Yeah, I love this brand and I've been wanting this bag for a while. Okay guys, so it didn't come in a box, but it came in this paper bag and a dust bag. I was kind of mad they didn't give me a box, but yeah, I still travel with a paper bag. So I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, it does come in this dust bag. Super cute. Oh, so I'm gonna tell you guys what I got. So I got the YSL lunch box or takeaway box in vegetable tanned leather. So it comes in the black and it comes in the tan color. Okay, so it comes in the dust bag. Here you go. Guys, look at this. How beautiful is she? Like, I am obsessed, as I would say. I am obsessed. This, I had my eye on this, but honestly, when I saw it in person, I was like, I couldn't get it out of my head. So I had to go back on the, I think the last day before we left, and I got it because my friend got it the first day that we were there, and I just had to go back and get it. How cute is it? So the black one didn't sell me. The black one has, I'm a gold girl, like the black one has a silver what do you call it, metals, has a silver right here, but this is, I feel like I will get a lot more wear out of this, and it could fit a lot of stuff. It's actually pretty big. Literally looks like a lunchbox. Okay, like this is super cute. I'm gonna show you guys. I already styled it with the look. I actually styled it with this top that I'm wearing. So I'm gonna pop a picture somewhere for you guys to see. But this is the fall staple. This is a fall color. The color, everything. I was sold. I'm gonna show you how you open it. So basically, it literally is like a lunchbox. You open the side, both sides, and you open it, and there you go. It's very spacious. I like the suede inside of it. Like, how bomb is this? And the leather is like really well done. So over here, I think it retails for $18.90 or something, close to $2K, and then plus tax, you're gonna be paying like over $2K. But back in Paris, I think I got it for, if you convert it, maybe $1,600, maybe 16 and change, maybe 1,600. So that's a steal. Like this, listen, I had to get this. And then you also could get your taxes back. So definitely. So I'm gonna show you guys. My old phone can fit in it. My wallet. What is this? Lotion, whatever. I could add a pair of sunglasses, something else. It's pretty spacious. Pretty spacious. That's really good. And you just close it. Love it. Okay guys, so that's all I wanted to show you guys. That's the only thing I bought. I wasn't actually trying to shop, but this, I just had to get it. That was the only thing I got overseas. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me comments if you have any questions. I'll help you. If you have any questions I can answer, I will be glad to. Like, share, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys are gonna love this video. Let me know if there's something that you're gonna like.